Welcome back to our channel.
Today we are going to be building a gingerbread house.
This is a gingerbread cottage kit, and it has gingerbread pieces and nerds, sweethearts, runts, and bottle caps.
Let's go ahead and unbox all the items. Okay, so what's in here is the nerds, sweethearts, runts, bottle caps, and runts.
Yeah.
And then the gingerbread pieces and the pre-made icing.
So on the packaging, it says to have supervision required. So just make sure that you have a parent watching you while you do this.
And you're just going to be putting these in here if you want to. You don't have to, but you can. Here are the nerds. This is our first time making the gingerbread house in my life. This is the roof. This is the door and the other door.
What is
Window.
That's a window.
Now this is our icing. Okay, now we're just gonna read the directions on how to do this. We need like a separate
It says to cut the thing. Yeah. Okay.
on this side. Cut a wide opening so we can put all of these together. Okay, so you want a wide opening so it can all stick together.
Okay, so we did step one, aluminum foil, and then we were supposed to knead the thing before opening it. Okay,
So we're just gonna knead it too. You
And
want to
then-
do that too?
and then after that, you have to,
It says to knead.
and then gently squeeze other end of pouch to push icing toward opening. Okay, number 3, wall assembly. So it says on blank side of back house. What's a back house wall?
This one. It's either one.
Oh, okay.
We should use
So-
this one for the front. So we're just gonna be putting our bread pieces on here and then
Okay, so on it says pipe a line of icing along insides of notches. Figure number 2.
yeah.
That's what it looks like.
On
Figure
here,
number 2.
on here, what you want to do is you want to pipe on the outside. So you could put this wall right.
Wait.
Yeah, you want like it's puzzle pieces. You want to put it right there.
You have to put the icing.
I needed it. Don't worry.
Wait a minute. Oh, gee.
You want to knead it because it has a thick consistency.
Okay, so now you have to put the icing things like inside there. Yeah.
Inside here, down here,
Yeah.
down here. Because these are gonna go right here, sister.
Okay.
Okay, Marcel, you do it because I'm not the baker here. So.
Where's the wall? Oh. What did you do?
That's supposed to be like that.
Are you sure? I don't
Yeah.
think so. Okay.
Oh my god.
I'll leave this in then.
We can. This is like the glue.
Okay, so I'm just gonna take.
Don't worry. We washed our hands during this, so make sure you wash your hands.
Are you sure you needed this?
Yeah, I needed that.
It's a little thick, but okay. Okay, so
Don't worry,
after
I'm
you
gonna
do
need
that,
more.
wait, yeah, it's that way. Okay. So then you would put this and this like that. Yeah. Okay, so then you press those two together. Boom, it's a house.
And you just want it to dry. And Marcel, we also have to go right here. We also have to go right here with the icing.
Oh, wait a minute.
And I needed it more.
It's my
And now we're just gonna like do it right here too.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, let's take some of this off and put it in the middle here.
We're very professional, guys.
Okay, so then after, okay, there we go. Okay, so let's turn this around.
And that's what it looks like so far, guys. And this is the other house piece.
So,
It's okay.
Okay, so then you put some frosting. Make sure that it's not as wide as this because then you can't put it in the crack. Yeah, okay. So,
If that happens, just grab like a spoon or something, and
or
just,
your finger,
and just like
that.
yeah.
Yeah, okay. So then you put it there and up here too.
These are like the roof pieces, I think. Yeah, it goes like that.
So you do that, and then you do that.
There we go.
Put it there. Squish it.
Now, I'll put on this side of the roof.
Okay, so now it's all square. And yeah.
Now you wanna put, the roof is gonna be like that. Oh, that's so cool.
Okay, so then you just. Ooh.
And just take some right here.
Oh! I can put this on here. And then I can put.
Can I have one of these? which is the gingerbread cottage, and there are other themes like Candyland and Hershey's.
So from now on, we're gonna make this a family tradition. So every year, we're going to try to make a different kit. So make sure you try this out with your family, friends, and even by yourself, because this was so much fun to do. So make sure you like and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications so you get a notification every time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.
3, 2, 1.
Hello, everyone.
Oh.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our show.
Why is your hands up here? You like
3, 2, 1.
Hello, everyone.
Okay, today we are. Let's go.
And-
What would you?
At the end, can we have like a blooper thing?
Oh my god, I can't wait to do this. Putting these pieces together. Yeah, I don't know why I'm teary. I don't know, but it's so funny.
Dude. It's the banana. Huh? What?
Maddie can't wait. Like seriously, she can't wait to put this all together. Like this is our first time making. This is our first delicioso.
That's not even how you say it. And some cardboard. Okay.
Next. Okay, now you want this to cut a wide opening, so we could so we could put all of these together.
Oh. You were supposed to